Hey guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Techno Guy, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So basically in this video I am going to tell you that what is WNXM. So here's it. Let's start our video. Well, simple what is WNXM? Start trading crypto. So here's it. Insurance is an old industry, one that permeates all aspects of life today. You can insure cars, houses, and even human lives. While this may not seem like the most obvious industry to disrupt, blockchain projects are now creating insurance products that insure people against the risk of the crazy new world of decentralized finance or DEFI. DEFI is an ongoing financial movement that intends to remove the centralization prominent in many traditional financial instruments. If Bitcoin revolutionized many by offering a decentralized and anonymous currency, DEFI does the same to banking, insurance, and exchanges. Through blockchain, DEFI will remove reliance on third parties and make complicated financial transactions trustless. So here's it. And the main innovation that powers decentralized finance is a smart contract. Smart contracts are blockchain contracts that enforce themselves, requiring no third party like a lawyer or underwriter or debt collector to protect the agreement. So here's it. Basically, this is a departure from traditional legal contracts, which could result in a case if they are breached. So, resolving contractual disputes is not only expensive but also time consuming, stressful, and carries the human risk of an incorrect judgment being reached. Smart contracts avoid this. They operate under a pre-existing set of conditions which, when filled, execute the contract automatically. For instance, if one party to an agreement does not fulfill their end of a bargain, then the other party receives an automatic refund. This means there is no need to trust anybody, hence the term trustlessness. However, while this is a great in theory, in practice smart contracts are complicated and the pace of innovation within DEFI is so fast that developers make mistakes. To protect against smart contract risk, DEFI insurance protocols and companies have popped up. So here's it. Nexus Mutual, our topic of focus today, is one such company. One component of its service is NXM and WNXM, which both refer to tokens on the Nexus Mutual network. But how does the whole thing work? Can it really replace businesses that have run for centuries, and how do the tokens influence the platform? So here's it. What is Nexus Mutual? So while some consider smart contracts to be superior to traditional contracts, they still carry some risk. Many of the contracts have not been audited, and with the sheer number of projects and the rapid rate at which new ones turn up, there are plenty of contracts that could be vulnerable to exploitation. Nexus Mutual is set up to provide users a way to hedge against the risk involved with a smart contract. Through the Ethereum blockchain, this hedging is achieved without the need for a centralized insurance company. Members can take out insurance policies with the network cryptocurrencies token NXM, but Nexus Mutual also has a significant role for its membership to play. Unlike a traditional insurance company which has a broad and employees to process claims, members that hold NXM take on this responsibility. Instead, each token a member hold represent membership rights. The more tokens someone holds, the great influence they can exert over the platform and the larger insurance policies they can take out. So here's it. Basically, specifically, members have access to a range of different services which are each outlined in the Medium post. The first thing is, of course, taking out a smart contract insurance policy. However, a member can also stake their tokens on a smart contract they consider around. If the smart contract holds, the staker will receive a return in the form of additional NXM. This is analog to a member acting as an insurance agent. Staking can also be done to assess claims coming from other users. Changes are voted on by member with more votes going to members with more tokens. These changes can also be proposed by members themselves. When a user purchases coverage from the mutual, they spend NXM tokens. 90% of these tokens are then destroyed, which keep the count of NXM from spiraling out of control. The remaining 10% is held ready to be used as a deposit in the event of a claim. If the claim is upheld, the policy will refund the NXM tokens. So here's it. It is important to note that the mutual does not technically offer insurance, as this is a distinct legal term which is not met by mutual. Instead, members of the mutual cover each other by staking on various smart contracts. This is a form of peer-to-peer coverage where members of the same organization offer each other coverage without any one entity holding a legal responsibility to pay out on a claim. Members also have full discretion on whether a claim is paid out or not. A key feature of this system that Nexus templates is the idea of aligned incentives. Traditional insurance payments are often pretty hard to get as companies do not want to pay out if they can avoid it. This can lead to dispute between claimants and insurers. By moving the system into a member-based approach where members are rewarded by proper functioning of the system, Nexus incentivizes a system where claims are more likely to be paid out. In addition, a member who is taking will likely have their own policies that they may wish to make a claim on. This means that they are less likely to begrudge paying out as they could easily find themselves in a similar situation. Let's get what is WNXM. NXM tokens are a critical part of the Nexus mutual system. They are the membership tokens that enable a user to use the platform both on procedures and stake. The price of NXM is tied to a mutual's overall and financial performance as well, similar to how a stake price might follow the performance of a company. This is all about the WNXM. So if you like my video, then please subscribe it and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.